Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your cryptocurrencies and digital currencies. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to buy IOTA with Perfect Money USD. When you enter the main page, select Perfect Money on the left field and IOTA on the right one. Type in the desired amount for exchange and click on the Exchange button. For the second step, you need to enter your IOTA wallet address. Make sure that it is the correct address. Then, you need to enter your email address. Remember that typing your phone number is optional, and you also have the opportunity to sign up on HiExchange Platform. There are benefits for those who sign up. You can make money with our affiliate program, you can stay ahead of the deals and offers, or you just get better support from HiExchange Platform. Having done that, click on the Exchange button. On the third step, you have the ability to review your order, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on the Exchange button. For the fourth step, you have information about your order, you can see our terms and conditions, and you also get a track ID. Please spend some time to review our terms and conditions. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on Pay Order button. Having done that, you will be directed to Perfect Money website. You can see information about your Perfect Money payment, the amount. You also have the option to pay for your order with e-voucher. Click on Make Payment button. Remember that typing your memo is optional. You can type your track ID in this part. Type in your member ID, your password, and the tiering number. Click on Preview Payment. Review the information carefully. Having done that, click on Confirm Payment. Once again, read the information carefully and click on Continue. When you do that, you will be directed back to HiExchange Platform. And that's it. At this point, our team will send IOTA to your wallet address. You can also track your order, enter your track ID, and click on Track Order to see at which point your transaction is. Thank you for choosing HiExchange.